welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be trading my mega neon dog. So let's get right into the video. Guys, so after all the trading, I got a new fly ride cat and a fly ride reindeer. I accepted it because a fly ride reindeer is limited right now, so that's why I got it. But if you guys have an offer for it, comment down below because I am intrigued to offer for anything. But if it's not like a legendary or yeah, I will accept. Sorry, but make sure you like, subscribe, and share. Bye.